What's the worst that can happen if you just try, right? A lot of you guys want to make money online. A lot of you guys want to have freedom. A lot of you guys want to quit your 9-to-5 job. And you contemplate whether you should start a business or not. You procrastinate, you sit there not taking any action, wondering, should you do it? Should you do it? Should you try? But my question to you guys is, what's the worst that can happen if you just try? Let's truly understand it, right? What is the worst case scenario if you just try? Worst case scenario is that it doesn't work, right? Worst case scenario is that maybe you lose a little bit of money. Worst case scenario is that you go back to living the life that you're currently living. Now you tell me, right? What's actually worse? Living the life that you're constantly living and not trying and regretting not starting a business which could have changed your life, or actually just trying, right? And actually changing your life, right? Because you have to understand, there's always going to be two parts to it. One where you don't take action, stay in the same position in your life, not grow, not make money, and consistently work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life and regret not trying, or actually trying and it pulls off, right? Because you have to understand one thing. The only way that your life is going to change is when you change, right? And when you just do not try, well, you're guaranteeing one outcome, which is you're going to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life, okay? Now, if you guys are watching me for the first time, you don't know who I am, my name is Alim, right? I myself used to work a 9-to-5 job. I used to live in the UK, I was working my 9-to-5 job and I used to hate it. I was working for Argos, World Duty Free, Sky, and it got to a point where I had enough of my life, right? I was like, I'm not making enough money. I'm stuck here in the UK in my 9-to-5 job, working 40 hours a week, and other people are making money online. So I took a big decision. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, right? That's where I currently live at the moment. And literally less than 2 years later, right? I now run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai, and also change a lot of my clients' lives as well. And that's what I currently run, right? I have an online coaching business where I work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, if you guys are interested in starting your own online business by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, guys, I want to go over a few things. What's the worst that can happen if you try? Because a lot of you guys don't start that business. A lot of you guys don't take action. A lot of you guys sit and procrastinate, right? What do you think that's going to do? What do you think that's going to do for your life? Well, if you really and truly analyze it from a logical point of view, you're not going to change, right? You're going to be in the same spot. You're not going to change. You're not going to be in a better financial position. In fact, what's going to happen is you're going to consistently work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. And the reason I'm so confident that you're going to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life if you don't take action in starting an online business is because through school, through university, through your job, you've been programmed to only do that. And the only way for you to break free from that, the only way for you to actually be free and actually be able to make money for yourself and live wherever it is that you want to live, you have to take action. And guys, I'm not just talking about action in the sense that maybe you do 1 or 2 things a day. No, guys, obviously that's still better than taking no action. But my point is you have to take drastic actions, because if you want an exceptional life, you need to start taking exceptional actions, right? For example, when I moved to Dubai, when I was doing YouTube full-time, right? So I used to do YouTube full-time with sponsorships and all that kind of stuff. I realized this wasn't giving me freedom, right? So I took another risk. I hired a mentor to start the business that I'm currently doing at the moment. And that completely changed my life, right? I paid someone to learn the skills required to do what it is that I'm doing currently. And the point I'm trying to make in this video is that if you want to have a drastically different life, you need to take drastic actions. You need to take big actions. If you want to start that online business, if you want to become successful, if you want to become rich, hire a mentor. Learn from someone that is doing exactly what it is that you want to do. Learn from them and start that business. And trust me, if you do that, you will make money. This is exactly why I started my own online coaching business, because I knew I could help a lot of people. I'll give you guys an example. I helped a 16-year-old, right, who made his first £2,000 within only a few weeks of working with me. And recently he actually got another client as well. So he actually made about £4,000 literally within a few weeks just working with me, right? And I've got another client that made 25 grand from his first YouTube video, which is crazy. I've got another client that got over 180 book calls and made thousands and thousands of pounds online. Guys, a lot of you guys can do the exact same thing. All you have to do is try, right? And if you want to become successful, if you want to become rich, you have to take action. But the issue is a lot of you guys don't do that. You sit there, complain, you procrastinate, you contemplate whether you should take action or not, like it's an actual decision, you know? Let's be real. Taking action isn't really a decision, because you should be doing that anyway. Because again, what's the worst thing that can happen? You go back to your current life? Like, come on guys, take action. Taking action will literally lead you to where you want to be, right? Action solves 99% of problems. Genuinely, action will solve 99% of problems. All you have to do is just try. All you have to do is just put yourself out there. All you have to do is take the drastic actions required to make you money. Now, again, guys, I have my own online coaching business, right, where I work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, if you are interested and you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, what I want you guys to understand, right, is let's say worst case scenario, you try something. What's the worst that can happen? If anything, you're opening up more doors. Now guys, when you try something, right, what actually happens is you open up more doors. Now imagine there's a door in front of you, right? Now if you open that door, right, which is basically you taking action, what's gonna happen is there's gonna be multiple doors in front of you. And all of them are opportunities. And this is exactly how it works. When you start taking action, when you start trying, right, more doors open up, more doors open up. Now if you open one of those doors, more doors open up. And all of them doors are basically opportunities. And because you put yourself out there, because you start the One Skill Consulting business model, you can become successful, you can become rich, you can have freedom, you can live where you want. Like for example, I currently live in Dubai, right? But I have freedom to go wherever it is that I want. I can go to the UK, I can go to the US, I can go on holiday wherever I want, right? Because I make money online. I'm not tied down to any geographical location. I can do what it is, whatever it is that I want. And this is exactly what I promote. I promote freedom. I promote trying. I promote making money online, right? And not having a boss, not working for someone else, working for yourself. So this is why I've made this video today, because I want to ask you guys truly, what's the worst thing that can happen? And the best thing that can happen, well, I can tell you that for free what can happen. You can become rich, you can become successful, you can have a lot of money, you can help your family, you can help your wife, you can help your kids, you can help your parents, whatever it is, right? You will have opportunities to do that. And what you can do, as I said, is live in the country of your dreams, right? Which is what I'm doing. I live in Dubai. Again, I love Dubai. This is one of the reasons why I moved here. The weather being good, the safety, the no tax, all of those things combined became one of the best places for me, right? But I know a lot of you guys want to live in other cities, right? Maybe Bali, maybe London, which I wouldn't recommend, by the way. Maybe in somewhere in the US, wherever it is, right? Because you can make money online, you can do that. And even me, I'm not tied down to Dubai. If tomorrow I want to live in another country or another city, I can do that. But my point being, right, you guys should aim for freedom. You guys should be wanting to make money online, quit your 9-to-5 job so you can do what it is that you want, so you can make money for yourself, right? So you don't have to answer to no one. You don't have to work 40 hours a week. You don't want to get into that life, right? And even with me, right, even after quitting my 9-to-5 job, when I did YouTube full-time, that was the same thing for me. Rather than having one boss, I had multiple bosses, right? Because I had sponsorships. I had to do the videos for them, X, Y, and Z. And that's when I switched to the One Skill Consulting business model, which again, completely changed my life, giving me ultimate freedom, guys. Like I cannot explain. The freedom I have now is unbelievable. And literally you guys can do the same thing. And a lot of my clients now have the same thing, right? Because they use the business model that I'm talking about. Now, if you guys are wondering what the One Skill Consulting business model is, it's essentially where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if you are interested and you do want to start the One Skill Consulting business model and you want someone to guide you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. Honestly, what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. But guys, my main talking point in this video is what's the worst that can happen when you try. So if you're not trying, if you are in a position where you want to change your life, if you're sick and tired of your 9-to-5 job, if you don't want to work 40 hours a week, if you don't want to have a boss, if you want to live in the city or the country of your dreams, then start an online business. And if you want more details on how the One Skill Consulting business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.